Today, okay? Let me introduce myself first. My name is Rami. Rami, I'm gonna be your guide for today. For our guide, it's not only me. We have two more. I'm gonna show you later when we arrive on the boat. Okay? Everyone, today we are going to Surin Islands. We start from here to Surin Islands. We spend time on the boat around 1 hour and 45 minutes. It's a very long time. Maybe you can take a nap on the boat. That's okay. Everyone, our first stop. Everyone, we're gonna go to the Morgan village. There are sea gypsy in Thailand. The last group in Thailand, original sea gypsy. When we arrive here, everyone, we're gonna see some culture, life of Morgan, take a photo, something like this. Okay, we spend time at the village there around 30 minutes, everyone 30 minutes. And for the history of the Morgan, when we arrive there, I'm gonna tell you later, okay, for the history of the Morgan, okay? 30 minutes here, everyone, and then in the morning, we have two spots for the snorkeling. For the spot for the snorkeling, I'm gonna show you later, okay, in the morning. Maybe Nemo Bay, Bon Bay, or Pineapple Bay. Let me check the weather again. Have a current or have a wavy or not. Okay, I'm gonna tell you later for the snorkeling spots. Okay, and for the snorkeling equipment, mark, snorkel, life jackets on the boat already. Okay, everyone, when we do activity in the water like a snorkeling, swimming, we must wear the life jacket for your safety. Okay, but somebody, if you very good swimming, just bring it with you. That's okay. Okay, for your safety. All right, we're gonna do snorkeling around 30 to 40 minutes per one spot, everyone, and then we're gonna move to the next spot at the Surin National Park for take the lunch and relax on the beach. And into our lunch, we have a live buffet. We have a Thai food, we have a halal food, no pork, no beef, just chicken and seafood. Okay, for we make sure everyone, somebody have food allergy something like a vegetarian, gluten free, no nuts, something like this. Yes. For another one, anything else? Can eat everything? Spicy? No. We can eat spicy for the foreigner. It's not too much spicy, okay? And after lunch, everyone, you have more time, you can relax on the beach. Take a photo, swimming, lay down on the beach, and skiing, something like this. We spend time at the Surin National Park around 1 hour and 30 minutes, 1 hour and 30 minutes. And then in the afternoon, we have one spot for the snorkeling, 30 to 40 minutes the same. And then we will go back to our pier. This is our program on our trip, the Morgan village. Two spots for the snorkeling in the morning, lunch and relax on the beach at the Surin National Park, and one spot for the snorkeling in the afternoon. Our program will be changed up to the weather, sea condition. If I change until you put on the boat or on the island, okay? For our program, do you have a question? For other information, I'm gonna tell you later on the boat or on the island, okay? Everyone, today you go with love Andaman, please safe environment, don't keep anything on the island back like a seashell, coral, the sand, we keep the memory and keep the photo back. When we do snorkeling also, everyone please don't stand on the coral and do not feed the fish, okay? And for the rule from the national park, everyone, for the alcohol, if you have in your bag like a beer, whiskey, vodka, tequila, gin tonic, on the boat that's okay. But on the island, the national park will be around to bring up on the island, okay? But promise me, everyone not drunk, okay? And for the flying boat or flying camera, everyone, if we didn't have permission from Surin National Park, we cannot be flying. For the flying dog, okay? Everyone, when you get up to our boat, before we get up to our boat, we have to take a photo for traveling insurance. Just show face ID, family by family. And then when you get up to our boat, everyone please wear your seat first, and then please wear the life jacket for your safety. And when the boat go outside around 10 minutes, the weather is good, it's not too much wavy, you can take off and leave with you, that's okay. On our boat, we have one toilet, but so very small. Somebody, if you want to use, please let me know on our team. And by the way, when the boat have a bumping, please no toilet, it's very dangerous for you. Okay? Alright, everyone, for your safety. Somebody have any medical problem or personal disease, like a health problem, something like this. Heart disease, Broken heart, that's okay. You can find the new ones on the island. Somebody had a surgery, back, arm, leg surgery 3 until 6 months before. Plastic like me, that's okay. It's beautiful also. And the last one, everyone is very important. Somebody have a pregnant baby inside last night until 9 months. Beer is okay, buffet is okay. Pregnant last night, no. Everyone healthy. Any question? Everyone, are you ready? Yeah. If you're ready, please check your belongings and follow me just after the hour. Thank you for attention. ขอบคุณค่ะ This way, please, bro, please.
Because if anything breaks down, you can soak it in vinegar and that'll break it down, but you put it in.
Today's speedboat 4 engine. The name of boat Irina. I forgot her name. Irina. Irina. On the other boat we have one toilet but so very small on the front right there. Okay. Somebody if you want to use please let me know on our team. And by the way when the boat have a bathing please toilet is very dangerous for you. Okay. And for our team, our guy is not only me. I have my partner. Her name is Stephanie. First of all, please give a big hand for Stephanie, please. And the second one, his name is Blue. And for our team, not only 3 of us, we have our boat boy, our staff, and one person is very important. Everyone beside me. First of all, please give a big hand for Stephanie. 1 hour and 45 minutes from here, you can spend time on the boat side. And for the next year for your safety, everyone, somebody wants to take a CC tablet, just indicate CC tablet. That's only one. If you take 2, maybe you wake up tomorrow. They paddle around Myanmar Islands, Similan Islands, Surin Islands, Khai Islands, something like this. Everything on the boat, cooking, sleeping, everything on the boat, eating, everything on the boat. And right now, the Surin National Park, they take all of them live on this island here. Right now, they have around 18 families, 400 people. They walk in here, they have 2 nationalities. The first one Thai, the second one Myanmar. Because they have grandmother or grandfather from the Myanmar also. They have their own language, local language. They can speak English a little bit, they can understand Thai a little bit, and they can speak Myanmar also. And all of them on this island, everyone, they didn't have religion, but they have a spirit of the Morgan. When you walk inside the village, you can see the Buddha, anything like the Indian place. That's what the spirit of the Morgan. They believe all the things together. And all of them on this island, they have one surname. That surname is Klang. Klang, that's been break.
เดี๋ยวไปขึ้นทีเดียวไงร้านหนูเอาร้านไหนไปดูได้เลยลูกเดี๋ยวจะขึ้นเรือแล้ว
ขอแป้งไหมคะขอแป้งที่ปลาขอแป้งกันนะคะ
with the Surin Islands. Now, if you need to see the white sand dunes, the farm or the sea water is very clear. Similan is beautiful. But if you love snorkeling, tomorrow come back to join me at the Surin Islands. Okay? Everyone, and the last on the outer board, we have a report for our service. In this report, is not only for the let's wait for everyone in my team. This includes my trainee, also Kaplan and this team. If you need to see how much of our team, you can keep a little bit